Today, we are going to discuss the cell. Cell, the unit of life. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Study of cell is called cytology. Father of cytology, Robert Hooke, discovered dead cells in Cork, London, in 1665. Living cell discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek in 1674 in the algae Spirogyra cell. Germplasm theory given by August Weismann. Cell theory given by Schleiden-Schwann in 1838-39. And Rudolf Virchow modified it in 1858. Main features of cell theory. हर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म सेल्स से बना होता है. हर सेल प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल से बनती है. सेल लाइफ की स्ट्रक्चरल और फंक्शनल यूनिट है. हर ऑर्गेनिज्म एक सिंगल सेल से अपनी लाइफ स्टार्ट करते हैं. सेल सारे मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म करते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ सेल्स. प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स, प्रिमिटिव सेल्स, स्ट्रक्चर सिंपल, न्यूक्लियस एब्सेंट होता है. डीएनए सर्कुलर और साइटोप्लाज्म में फ्री रहता है. न्यूक्लियोइड membrane bound organelles are absent. Extra DNA plasmid. Ribosomes 70S type. Cell division, binary fission or budding. Cell wall made of peptidoglycan. Examples bacteria, cyanobacteria etc. Eukaryotic cells, advanced cells. Structure complex. True nucleus with nuclear membrane present होता है. DNA linear और histone proteins से bound होता है. Membrane bound organelles present. Ribosomes 80S type. Cell division, mitosis or meiosis. Examples unicellular and multicellular plants and animals have this type of cell. Cell structure and organelle. Cell wall found in plant cells, fungi and prokaryotes. Composition cellulose in plants, chitin in fungi, peptidoglycan in bacteria. Function cell को protection, rigidity and osmotic pressure से बचाना. Plasma membrane cell की boundary. Structure phospholipid bilayer with proteins, fluid mosaic model. फंक्शन सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन जो सब्सटेंसेस की एंट्री और एग्जिट कंट्रोल करती है. ट्रांसपोर्ट मैकेनिज्म्स, पैसिव ट्रांसपोर्ट, डिफ्यूजन, ऑस्मोसिस. एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट, सोडियम पोटेशियम पंप, एंडोसाइटोसिस, एक्सोसिटोसिस. न्यूक्लियस डिस्कवर्ड बाय रॉबर्ट ब्राउन इन 1831, कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ सेल. स्ट्रक्चर एनक्लोज्ड बाय अ न्यूक्लियर एनवलप. कंटेन्स न्यूक्लियोलस, साइट ऑफ राइबोसोम सिंथेसिस. Nucleoplasm is found inside the nucleus. Contain chromatin made up of DNA plus histone protein. Functions controls cellular activities, stores genetic material, regulates gene expression. Endoplasmic reticulum types rough ER protein synthesis, ribosomes present. Smooth ER lipid synthesis, detoxification. Ribosomes site of protein synthesis. Also called a protein factory. Golgi apparatus discovered by Camillo Golgi. Structure stack of membrane bound sacs, cisternae. Function packaging and dispatching, storage of material, synthesis of lysosomes, cell wall, plasma membrane etc. Lysosomes discovered by Christian D. Dubé. Called suicidal bags of the cell. Function intracellular digestion and cell cleaning. Absent in RBCs of mammals. Mitochondria discovered by Altman in 1886. Structure double membrane, inner folds cristae, fluid is matrix. Outer membrane porous. Function powerhouse of the cell. Site of aerobic respiration, ATP production. Energy currency of cells. Has its own DNA and ribosomes. Plastids only found in plant cells. Types chloroplasts, photosynthesis, contains chlorophyll. Kitchen of cell, chlorophyll contains magnesium ions. Bounded by two membranes scana, site of light reaction, and stroma, site of dark reaction. Chromoplasts, color pigments. Like carotenoids, xanthophyll etc. Leucoplasts store starch, proteins and oils. Vacuoles in plant cells, it's large and permanent. In animal cells, it's small and temporary. Function water, waste or ions store करना, osmotic balance maintain करना. Peroxisome site of oxidative reaction, break down organic molecules by the process of oxidation. Cytoskeleton, cell frame, structure, microtubules, microfilaments, intermediate filaments. Provides shape, support and movement. Centrioles found only in animal cells. Function cell division में spindle fibers का formation. Cell cycle and division. Cell cycle interface, G1 phase cell growth. S phase DNA synthesis. G2 phase preparation for cell division. M phase mitosis, nuclear division plus cytokinesis, cytoplasmic division. Mitosis occur in somatic cells. Phases, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. Equational division, two identical daughter cells. Meiosis occur in germ cells, reductional division for non-identical haploid cells. Note the ability of plant cells to grow in complete plants is called totipotency. The ability of a cell to develop into any kind of cell of the animal body is called pluripotency. Some other facts: largest cell ostrich egg, smallest cell Mycoplasma gallisepticum, longest cell nerve cell, largest cell in the human body ovum cell, smallest cell in the human body nephrons, highly regenerative cell in human hepatic cell, least regenerative neuron. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more educational content.